Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got spoiled. I only eat salads. I'm starting off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and this is spoiled. I only eat salads. And it's one of those nice funky green colors. And we're going to go in with our first coat. I love the brush on this one and the formula is excellent. I am really pleased with this one. Look how pretty. And then we're going to go in for a second coat. It's going on like butter. It's just so smooth and so easy to work with. Didn't even make a mess. I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to dry it down and get ready to do some stamping. Really like how shiny and pretty that looks. There's a swatch photo of it on its own. And this is KADS Geometry 001. One of the plates Miss Becky sent me. And Maniology's Skin Deep is the stamping polish for today. And my Maniology Cube stamper and my Beauty scraper. I do end up changing scrapers here in a little bit because I'm being like all crazy using these corner images. Look, I'm telling you, corner images are like my nemesis. I just have so much trouble with them. If I can ever figure out a trick that really works for them, I'm definitely going to share that with y'all. And today I'm being really crazy because I'm using 2 corner images. What was I thinking? I was thinking I wanted to ride the struggle bus, I guess. Bought my ticket and here I go. So I liked the image that had like the solid circles, and I also liked this one that had more open, more open circles and triangles, and I just thought that they would complement each other quite well. And y'all know I'm normally into my swirls and twirls and doodads, but today I wanted to, kind of get out of my comfort zone a little bit and use some of these geometric looking images. Look at that. See, I'm just a mess messing with them corners. And there we go. And now I'm back to the accent nail image, which has the more solid images. And I have changed to a just generic card scraper. I don't even know where that came from, but I had to change because I was getting tired of fighting with it. There we go. And one more. Got to get that little pinky nail done. And I know these kind of look like Christmas colors, but with that being like a chartreuse green, I thought we'd be okay with it. And here we go. So I'm going to go in with a little piece of tape and get up most of this excess that's on my skin. Not all of it's coming up perfectly, but some of it comes up, so I'll take that. Then we're going to break out my acetone with my cleanup brush, and I am using acetone additive in my cleanup solution today. I'm telling you, that skin around my nails is just funky. So we're going to top it with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. I didn't want these images to smear. So there we go. And once that's dry, well, hang on. Hi, Woody. How you doing? I am going to be using Poshe top coat today to finish this one off. Nice, glossy. I had too much on the brush, so I'll scrape some of it back off into the bottle. There we go. Beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. I always enjoy hearing from you. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon.